There are lots of facts that float around us. We may believe most of these facts. All these facts are true. If true, what is the reason behind these facts? Or, if false, what is the truth? All this will be discussed in this series, Is It True? This summer, I found a fact that Earth is closer to the Sun in summer, that is why it is hotter. Many assume that in summer, the Earth is near to the Sun. If it is true, then why northern and southern hemisphere experience summer in different times? In early January, Earth is about 3% closer to the Sun. It is roughly 5 million km than the Earth in the farthest point. For 2022, the moment happened at 12:22 pm IST on January 4. The closest Earth-Sun distance is called perihelion and the farthest point is called aphelion. Northern and southern hemisphere experience different seasons at a point of time. This is due to the axial tilt of the Earth with respect to orbiting plane. If the axial tilt is 0, then both hemispheres will experience same season at a point of time. But in reality, it is approximately 23.4 degrees and hence the variation of seasons. When Earth was young, it is thought that something big hit the Earth and knocked it. So, instead of rotating with its axis up and down, it leans over a bit. Most scientists think that hit in time became our moon. Due to this tilt, approximately half of the year from March 20 to September 22, the northern hemisphere tips towards the Sun with a maximum amount occurring on June 21. For the other half of the year, the same happens but in southern hemisphere, with a maximum around December 21. The northern and southern hemispheres always experience opposite seasons. Consider the North Pole is away from Sun and South Pole is towards the Sun. In this case, northern hemisphere will expose its larger area to lower quantity of sun rays. Hence, the climate will be winter because of its lower intensity of sun rays. But southern hemisphere will expose its smaller area to higher quantity of sun rays. Hence, the climate will be summer because of its high intensity of sun rays. Similarly, consider the South Pole is away from the Sun and North Pole is facing the Sun. In this case, the southern hemisphere will expose its larger area to lower quantity of sun rays. Hence, the climate will be winter because of its low intensity of sun rays. But northern hemisphere will expose its smaller area to higher quantity of sun rays. Hence, the climate will be summer because of its high intensity of sun rays. Thus, the distance between Sun and Earth does not change the season, but axial tilt does. Summer and winter will not be experienced in complete 6 months. It will last only up to 2 to 3 months based on the region. It is due to various facts like eccentricity of the orbit, tropics, etc. For instance, southern and southeastern Asia, including India, the summer starts in March and ends in May or June. This is due to the monsoon which starts in early to mid-June. Thus, Earth's distance from Sun does not cause the seasons.